Hey, iPhone users. If you've ever wondered how much time you're actually spending on your phone and what you're doing with that time, Apple's Screen Time feature is your go-to tool. Let's dive into how you can leverage screen time to amp up your productivity. First off, find screen time by heading into your settings. It's right there, a bit down the list. Tap on it and you'll see your daily average screen time right at the top. This includes everything from social media apps to emails. Now, if you're looking to get a better handle on your habits, click on See All Activity. This detailed view breaks down exactly how you're spending your time on your device. It shows you the apps you're using the most, the notifications that pull you in, and even how often you're picking up your phone. But here's where it gets really interesting. Screen time isn't just about monitoring, it's about managing. You can set app limits for categories you might be overindulging in. Just go to App Limits, add a limit, and choose the category. Say, you want to cut down on social networking. Set a limit. Your iPhone will remind you when you're nearing that limit. Another cool feature? Downtime. Schedule downtime during the hours you want to step away from your screen and focus on other things. Only calls and apps that you've allowed will be available during downtime. It's perfect for ensuring you're not distracted during family time or when you're working on that big project. And for parents out there, screen time is a fantastic tool to help manage your kids' device usage. Use it to set communications limits, control app access, and schedule downtime, ensuring they're not glued to their screens all day. Remember, screen time is not just about cutting down your phone use. It's about using your time more efficiently, understanding your habits, and making conscious decisions about how you interact with your technology. So take a moment, explore screen time, and make your iPhone work for you. That's it for today. Dive into your screen time settings and start taking control. Trust me, it's a game changer for your productivity. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.